Can you see yourself in the 2014 Jeep Wrangler? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.